tugboat, for its size, is the most powerful craft afloat, and the Star Tugs are the power behind the docks and waterways that make up the big city port. This is Tugs. There were some times when a real bad character would sneak into port, but on the day I'm remembering, no one suspected trouble. We were worried about the high winds in the way. Tug work would be difficult. 10 cents a great dawn, eh? Yeah, don't be fooled by appearances, sunshine. You know what Captain Star says? Red sky at night, sailor's delight. Red sky in the morning, sailor's warning. Oh, is bad weather coming then? Yeah, strong winds on the way. It'll be here soon. Get a move on, you two. The storm flags are out. We know, Jay. We were just saying. Well, then get on with it. Hercules is already out, and starting a mayday. Once you deliver that oil, bring in Scuttlebug Pete. He's trudging in the bay. Aye, aye, OJ. We're off now. There'll be some extra jobs to batten down, right before the storm hits the harbour. Come on, sunshine. No time for daydreaming. Oh, you hold it. Good morning, Zebedee. What's good about it? High winds on the way. Ooh, yeah, it's going to be a lot of work to do today. Boy, what's going on? He's cut right across us. Oh, yeah, just right in our way. Oi, come on. Oi, come on. Look how many he's towing. Yeah, 4. He's like to show that he's as strong as any Z-Stacks tug. Oi, look, he's losing one. Oh, you better tell him. He hasn't seen it. Yeah, you're probably right. Oi, Zebedee! I'm first, it's my right of way, you'll have to wait your turn. Oh, you've lost one of your barges. You having me on? Oh, don't worry, I'll hold it. T secure. Don't interfere, I can manage. I'll suit yourself. Only hoping to be helpful, that's all. We don't need anything Star Tugs have to offer. Do it your own way, then. Oh, yeah, wait, hold it for me, will ya? Thanks.